Many of students were advising me, oh, you are stupid because you are just reading, and you are just doing MCQs because you will remember everything. So it's not good to solve the MCQs just after watching the video. But
Hi guys, this is Dr. Pritesh Singh, National Level Surgery Faculty. With me is Dr. Ravi Rawat, who secured 216 marks in FMGE December 2021 exam. Congratulations, Ravi, for your wonderful performance. Tell us something about yourself.
hi, my name is Ravi Rawat, and I scored 216 marks in my first attempt in December 2021. And thank you so much, sir.
It's really great. So from which college you did your MBBS?
Sir, I graduated from Uzhgorod National University, Ukraine.
Okay. So please share your exam experience.
My exam experience was good, sir. According to me, the level of exam was moderate. I would not say it was tough, or I would not say it was very easy also. Paper
Right.
one, I felt it was a bit tricky.
Okay.
And the paper second was a bit easier side, I would say.
Second paper, what is a bit easier?
Yeah, for me it was easier
Okay.
because I thought, because I was more preparing for clinical scenarios, and that's why I felt it was easier for me.
Okay. And what was the weightage of questions? I mean, maximum questions were asked from which particular subjects?
It was from surgery.
Okay.
And surgery, yes, sir. The surgery, and like PSM was not up to that level, because
Okay.
the questions in the PSM were mixing from here and there also. So most of the questions
Integrated
from
kind of
medicine and
questions were
surgery.
there, like
Yeah,
PSM, pediatrics,
yeah,
something like that.
yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
But surgery and medicine was vast.
Dominating.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
So what
really.
was your approach? Means you started solving question papers from the beginning, or you started from the end, or from the middle?
No, sir. I started from the beginning.
Okay, you
And
started from the beginning. Right.
yes, sir. I started from beginning, and like in first paper, it was a bit tricky. I was getting few questions which I was not knowing them at all.
Okay.
So I spent a lot of time on them, and I felt a little lack of the time in the first paper.
Okay.
And that's why I missed 4 questions in the end
Okay.
in the first paper.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So what was your preparation strategy? I mean, since when you started preparing?
When we talk about my strategy and my like how I went about my preparation, I started about 1.5 years ago, and there is a story behind it.
Yeah, tell me,
Because
please.
when I was in medical school, I felt that I was a good student, and one of my senior, Dr. Adil Khan, and he was finally a student, and he was preparing for FMGE. He was solving the questions, and he was studying physiology, and I thought I'm very good in physiology. He gave me 50 questions. I could solve only 9 questions out of them.
Only
And
9.
that was an, yes, sir. That was an eye opener for me, because I really felt that I'm good in physiology and all, but it was not that much good. Then I started studying physiology, and I studied 2.5 months only physiology.
Okay.
And then again I solved. He gave me again 50 questions. It was like 43 or 44 I got correct.
Means
After that,
first 9 by 50 and then 43 by 50.
yes, sir.
And your
Then
performance
it
just
was,
improved because you started solving MCQs.
yes, sir.
So this is
And
one of the biggest advice we want to give to the students, that whatever theory you are going to cover, it is not that
yes,
useful until and unless you are solving questions.
sir. When I was preparing from preparatory videos, first I would watch the video,
Okay.
and then I would revise and scan the notes,
Okay.
and I would solve the Q bank after that.
Okay.
Because many of students were advising me, oh, you are stupid because you are just reading, and you are just doing MCQs because you will remember everything. So it's not good to solve the MCQs just after watching the video. But I followed what I felt comfortable.
Right. We talked to many students, I mean, who perform more than 200 in this exam, and they were
Yes,
giving
sir.
the same advice that, sir, after
Mhm.
watching videos, all of us were solving the MCQs. Everybody was
Yes,
telling that, sir,
yes, sir.
first we watch video and then we used to solve the MCQs. So
Yes,
guys,
sir.
we want to
MCQ.
share this strategy also, that whenever you are going to finish a video, do solve the MCQs, right? Because you are a bit tired
Absolutely.
also, and solving MCQs just like playing a video game where you are forced
Yes,
to
sir.
score much, right? And it's a part of
Yes, sir.
active learning. That's why you should do that.
Because yes, sir. I would like to add one more thing. When you
Yes,
do MCQs, you tend to remember for the longer time, and
right,
there are few facts. There are few facts which you can only learn from MCQs. So
right.
MCQs is must.
Okay. And what
Yes,
was
sir.
the frequency of solving the mock test or grand test?
Sir, when I came to Delhi, and one of my senior, he advised me to start the mock test, and I gave total 18 grand test.
Total 18
I give
grand tests.
18.
That's really great.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Every 1 week, I had that every Tuesday I will give the mock test,
Okay.
and I was very punctual to the time. Also, I would do MCQs from 9 to 11:30, then to 5:30,
That's
like that.
that's
So I
really
was
great. And what was your score in mock test or grand test?
I, there is also something to tell. When I just came, I just revised 2 subjects, and I jumped into the mock test, and I scored 163 in the first
Oh,
mock test.
that's great.
And I lost the track because I thought, oh, I will pass this exam, and that was not good. I would advise my juniors to not do that, because if you are scoring good also, until you finish the exam, until you get the result, do not miss your track. And even if you do not get the good marks, please be on the track.
Right. Means
Yes,
keep
yes.
practicing. Don't lose track. Keep
Yes, sir.
practicing. Because
Yes.
the moment you are going
Yes.
to, stop practicing, you are going to lose the track. And that's
Yes, sir.
very
Absolutely.
detrimental to your preparation.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your favorite teachers in Prep Ladder Dream Team.
Favorite teachers, there are like all of them are good. I would,
All of
with
them.
due respect, I would say Deepak Marwa, sir. I'm a big fan of him,
Okay.
and and I have watched all of his videos on YouTube, on Prep Letter and everything. And after that, I would say you, sir. I
Oh, thank
it
you.
like you cracked in the whole videos. You cracked few jokes, and I was searching for those jokes because my senior told me also that he will crack 1 and 2 jokes, and I was just searching in which video he is going to crack that, and I watched all of them, and it was good to learn from you also. And Sparsh Gupta, sir, he is absolutely great teacher. Yes.
And what's your favorite feature in the Prep Ladder app?
Feature app favorite. It was a grand test and give you analysis of this subject wise analysis,
Okay.
and which subject you are good at, which subject you are poor at, and that was good for me. Then I would analyze them, and I knew that what are the subjects I need to work on, and what are the good subjects. So that was a good feature, I guess.
Right. So what will be your advice to the students who are preparing for next session of FMG exam?
Okay, sir, because because you know better, and everybody has their own strategy. But what I followed, and what I would like to suggest them, like if 5,000 students cleared FMG this time, if you will ask them, they will tell you 5,000 different advices. So what I did, I watched a few interviews before I started preparing seriously. I watched a few interviews on YouTube, and then I took the good points. What are the points that everybody told to do, and what are the points or mistakes which you need to ignore? Everybody of them mentioned it. So
Right.
I noted them, good and bad points,
Right.
and then I made my own strategy, because
Right.
everybody is different. Yes, sir. And so
Very
I
good.
would suggest them to watch few interviews and get what you need to do, and make your own plans.
Okay.
Yes.
So it was really a great interactive session with you, Ravi. Congratulations once again. Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.